We just received a glowing review from someone who's thrilled about our top-notch 5-star service. It makes us proud to share such great compliments with everyone now. This is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first, each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. We want you to experience the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. We look forward to speaking with you. We're always here to serve you.